Hi, I am Jem from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. Today, I am going to introduce you Huawei Network Kit. Network Kit is a basic network service suite. It incorporates Huawei's experience in far-field network communications and utilizes scenario-based RESTful APIs as well as file upload and download APIs. Therefore, Network Kit can provide you with easy-to-use device cloud transmission channels featuring low latency, high throughput, and high security. Huawei Network Kit provides you with many advantages. It tailors network programming APIs to scenarios and supports RESTful requests, so everything apart from specific service logic is done for you. For lower latency, it harnesses key technologies such as networks primed with user behavior prediction, DNS cache, multi-protocol support, concurrent connection setup, and intelligent network parameters. Also with supporting QUIC, plus latest network protocols such as multipath TCP soon, which works with Huawei's network congestion avoidance algorithms to improve the network throughput. We can examine the typical scenarios that we can develop using the wireless kit in 5 groups. The first one is Restful Access, which complies with the RESTful API design principle and configures network request parameters through annotations. It also supports synchronous and asynchronous network requests and supports parsing of custom format data. The second one is File Upload and Download. It downloads files from a specified URL to specified directory, maximizes performance with multitasking and multithreading, and also supports presumable transmission. The third scenario type is Instant Messaging. Supports serialization and deserialization of XML and protobuf, and supports parsing of custom format data. It provides high reliability, delivery rate, compression ratio, and instant delivery of messages. With the multimedia streaming scenario, it provides network APIs using streaming media protocols such as HLS and RTMP to support live streaming and on-demand services. Optimizes performance for weak networks and provides low latency and smooth HD streaming. Real-time audio and video scenarios provide RTP-compliant network APIs at the transport layer. It also provides low latency, packet loss concealment, and low cost. Before you start integrating Network Kit to your application, you need some configuration in App Gallery Connect. First, you must register as a Huawei developer and complete identity verification on the Huawei Developers platform. Then, to use Huawei services on your app, you need to create a project in App Gallery Connect. After creating a project in App Gallery Console, add an app to your project. This step is followed by generating a signing certificate fingerprint and configuring it in App Gallery Connect. You also need to add the AG Connect Services JSON file to your app. To download the AG Connect Services JSON file, go to Project Settings and click General Information. In the App Information area, you can download the file. Then, copy the file to the app directory of your Android Studio project. You can get more detailed information on these steps by checking our official documentation. Let's start developing the demo app that use APIs of Network Kit to upload and download files. For uploading files, we have to apply for reading and writing permissions on the phone storage. After applying for the permissions, initialize the global upload manager class Upload Manager. Then construct a request object. In the demo project, File 1 and File 2 files are used as examples. And after that, create the request callback object File Upload Callback. Send a request to upload the specified files and check whether the upload starts successfully. If the result code obtained through the getCode method in the result object is the same as that of the static variable result success, file upload starts successfully. Check the file upload status. Related callback methods in the file upload callback object created in step 4 will be called according to the file upload status. After that, verify the upload's result. For downloading files, start with initializing the global download manager class, Download Manager. After initializing the global download manager class, construct a request object. Then, create the request callback object, File Request Callback. Use Download Manager to start file download and check whether the file download starts successfully. If the result code obtained through the getCode method in the result object is the same as that of static variable success, file download starts successfully. To get more detailed information on the previously mentioned topics, you can follow our other training videos as well as the documents provided on our official Huawei webpage. Thank you all for watching. We hope to see you in other trainings.